Alright, let's give it a spin.
This game is brutalis.
Yeah, 10 years in gaming. Check the table and you will understand it's not too easy. People won't play according. Ooh. Is this even a double? What's the board? It's a blackjack 8x. Usually you don't double very often here. Way! Let's go! 6x next multiplier.
You win.
You win. Ooh, this is fun. Come on! Yeah, I think that's a double. What's the blackjack multiplier? 8x. And our multiplier is 6x. And we have a hard 7. Hard 7. You actually only hit. I wanted a little bit double, but alright, hit. Oh, that's nice. Hit. Oh, nice! Come on, they take the multiplier if we don't win this one. Oh, this would be so nice. Come on, please. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, yes! 9!
You win.
9, Junge! Why not triple bet when you get the multiplier? Johnson, because you can't bet more than... you can't double, because then it will be like that. So you can't, because otherwise you double on some very odd spots. Ooh, nice. Come on, let's get to 21. 10 ball. Away! Nice. And a 10. 10. Nice. Nice. Okay, 10. We might go back. King and 10. This one you actually do split. 10 and 10. Ah, alright. I think we stand here. And I think we stand on hard 14. Come on, bust now. 10 and 10. 10 and 10. Yeah, let's go. 1200. Please don't hit. Of course. Oh!
Double.
100% a double.
Oh yes. Oh, come on. Nice.
Blackjack would have been 15x. Yeah, easy. 10x next time. No!
Fan! Lol, what the fuck is that? Blanco, can you stand up?
Fun.
That's for OnlyFans, bro.
What will we get? 3 and an ace. Fun.
I think this is double.
100%. Oh!
Should we raise a little bit?
Alright. We throw in 25 extra. We throw in 25 extra. That's 250 total with 50. Oh, nice. I think this might be a double.
This one you hit against 7 or higher, since you're aiming for the multiplier.
Yeah. Oh, you bastard!
Okay, but it's
2x multiplier, but imagine if we could take another card. I mean,
at least
21
we won.
21 is the big difference, yeah.
Ah, so what?
I think this is actually a stay.
No!
Oh, nice.
Easy.
Come on,
easy.
don't get a 10. 10. Yeah.
Jarrå!
Easy game. That's not Beast. Thank you so much for raid.
Joey, are you back in town?
Is it Joey and Wim or just Wim?
I think Joey's back in... or are you back? I don't know.
Oh, that's good.
No.
Come on. Yeah, that wasn't disgusting though. Well,
I want the double.
We're winning.
As soon as Wim shows up,
Yeah.
Wim.
And thank you so much, Amir. Thank you so much for the follows. Alright, we stay, and 10 and 10. 10 and 10. Oh, bollocks.
Nej, och the push it.
That push is so bad. The push is so bad.
My guys, we are together. We need another epic poker night. Oh yes.
This one I actually... Oh, this is best board. This is 21 is great.
This is just a hit. Come on. Ooh,
Nice.
we have a 10x multiplier.
Come on, win it. Oh, din jävla... Alltså, come on. Fy fan.
3.
Oh, hey, all right.
That's better.
You win.
Sticky gaming. I will be
Sticky
back
gaming.
once you guys are done with this shit game. Alright.
Alright,
See you never again. Go!
Come on now. Oh, that's a split.
Yes, split 100%.
Oh, that's good. Too bad we can't double. Oh, nice! Oh no, I almost stood. Yeah. Alright, that's good.
Oh, we can bring... Come on.
Come on! 7, 6! Oh,
Alright,
that's good, that's still good, that's still good, that's still good, that's still good. We keep the multiplier, 6x.
Give us a double now.
Yeah.
No, this is split there.
Yeah.
And...
Yeah! Easy life! Come on, don't do it now. Don't do it. 10 now. 10.
Arra! And we have a 12x multiplier now. Let's go.
Ooh, this is a super board as well.
Yes. Come on.
Oh, come on, let's win this one. This one.
Nice to see you, Joshua Varela. Fucking hell, this is like a double.
I think this is a double.
It's double, baby! It's a double, of course!
If fun!
Fy fan, verkligen!
6.
Hey! Play of the year! Play of the year!
Player of the Year award! Player of the Year award! Let's go! That's for the
Ah, det feels so wrong to double on that shit.
Oh, who was even scared? Who was even scared? Who was scared? No one is scared. 10. Hope there's a good multiplier. Hope there's a good multiplier. What is the multiplier? 8.
8. Alright, that's good. That's good.
It's very good. 8, and we won 4x as well.
Yes.
Back-to-back blackjacks. The highest is 25. Oh,
This is a double.
yeah.
Come on!
It's gonna be.
Low ball! Low ball!
5, 4.
Yeah!
8, 7, 6, 10.
There we go! Come on! There we
Let's go!
Come on.
Let's go! Let's go! So who said we played this shit game? It's like this was his DNA. It was USA. Yeah, I saw that. I think this is a double. This is double.
Yes.
Let's go. Yeah, no. Lucky number 7 and 10 and 10 and 10. Yeah,
Yeah, no, we have a 5x now.
Easy. We have 9.5k.
Let's go!
We got a madness. Let's go.
And what's multiplier?
Let's go. 8x. We got an insane. What was the multiplier? 12x. We had 12x multiplier. We doubled 7 against the 10.
Yeah, easy.
Now you double basically everything here. Ooh, that's an easy double. That's not even close. Not even
Come
close.
on, low ball!
Come on. 8, 7, 6, 9. Oh!
Alright,
10 and 10, 10 and 10, 10 and 10, 10 and 10, 10 and 10. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
Come on.
Let's
And
go
we're
up to
profit,
30.
finally!
We're profit!
This game is absolutely insane.
It's a beast.
How does this optimal strategy work?
Green Garber. You have
No
to,
one knows.
You have to. You always split 10s if you have a multiplier, because then you get paid for the multiplier. Someone told me you didn't, but getting paid for the multiplier is insanely good.
Yeah.
So now we have a 6x multiplier. So, but
So
now if we get 10s, we
It diff-
oh, hey, let's go!
Let's see. 15! Let's go! Come
This
on!
could be the biggest hand of the night.
Now we're gonna double like basically everything. If we have a hard 5 against an ace, double, baby.
Oh, this is even a good.
Situation.
This is even a good double hand. 10. Yeah! Let's go up to 20k. Up to 20k.
What the fuck?
What the actual? Wow, let's go.
This is a fucking comeback, huh?
I knew this would pay, that's why I shouted early, big doser. But it is a game that is good. That is good to play a little bit later. 765. Wait, 6x multiplier.
Alright, come on.
Because it goes so fast. So
You can't think
like
to make never multiplier. No.
No.
Then it would be
Then we'd go all in every time we had a good multiplier. 10. That's a double.
Easy double.
Easy double.
Easy double.
Easiest double of my life.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's
6,
go.
5, 4. 5 is nice. Nice. 10 and 10.
13,
Yeah,
23.
easy.
Come on,
easy,
come on. That's
easy. 3 the whole K.